Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss how to remove a specific column from a data frame. Okay, so when it comes to a data frame, you might have several rows and columns. Okay, so sometimes what happens is you may feel that one of the column is not necessary and you want to remove that specific column from a data frame. Okay, so so now let's see like how to remove that specific column from a data frame. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, I have already mentioned as column name remove as a the name of the file. Okay, so now let's first try to import pandas as pd. So this is basically for data pre-processing. Okay, so now let's try to read the data set. pd dot read underscore csv. Okay, I have already uploaded a file by name employees dot csv. Okay. So now let's try to run this particular cell, and now let's try to read the data frame, try to export the data frame. Okay, so I think you might have seen this specific data set in my previous videos, and I'm using same data set so in order to explore more features. Okay, so now as I mentioned, like we are supposed to remove a specific column from a data frame. Okay, so now let's try to see how to do that. So now here you can see various columns: first name, gender, start date, last login time, salary, bonus, senior management, and team. Okay, so now suppose what happens is now suppose if you want to remove a specific column, so let's try to remove any one column. So now let's try to remove a team itself. Okay, so now let's try to see like how to remove this specific column by name team. Okay, so what I will do is here I have already given df as the name of the data frame. So what I will do is df underscore modified. I will just try to give it as modified. Okay, and here so our data frame name is df dot pop, and here now we are trying to remove this specific column by name team. Okay, so I will just try to mention it as team, and now I will try to run this particular cell. So now let's try to run this particular data frame again, and now let's see whether the column name team exists or not. So now let's try to run. So now you can see the column team is not present in this particular data frame, and that specific column has been removed, and that has been replaced as, and now that specific column is modified data frame and it exists as a separate series. Okay, now let's try to run this particular cell. So here now you can see df underscore modified comes as a separate series. Okay, and this is not part of this data frame, okay, because we have already removed the column by name team. Now let's try to run this. Okay, and suppose if you want to remove any other column also, you can do that. What you have to do is you have to just give it the name, whatever the name you want to give, which you want that specific column as a separate series. I will try to give it as new, and what I will do is I will data frame dot pop, and now suppose if you want to remove any other column, means suppose if you want to remove bonus column, or if you want to remove the salary column, so here you can just mention it as the name of the column, and you can just try to run this particular cell, and now you can see like even the salary column also has been removed from that specific data set. Okay, and now let's try to see whether that specific column has a separate series. Yes, it exists as a separate series. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.